Hi there! We're going to look at how to install Java. Step 1, go to my website. There it is right there. Scroll down to the bottom. We're looking for the instructions on how to install Java. There it is right there. Click on it to open it up. Here's the link for the download of the Java. Uh, Grab that link, go to a web browser, paste it in. Well, let's just do it this way. And hit save and hit OK. I already did that. That's going to download it to the downloads folder. There it is right there. To extract it, right click on it, extract all. I already did that. That's going to create this folder. Open up this folder, double click, copy out this folder, copy, go to your C drive, go to program files. If this folder Java does not exist, create it, make sure the J is capitalized, double click to open it, and paste. I already did that. There it is right there. Double click to open it, go to the bin folder, double click, grab the address of the bin folder. Now you want to go to this PC, right click, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, go down to the path, hit edit, new, paste. Then you want to go move up, 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 move up till it gets all the way to the top. There it is. Hit OK, hit OK, hit OK, and close this out. Now let's see if this worked. Go back to my website. We're looking to test it. Let's test it with game.java. Find game.zip. There it is. Double click on that. I guess it's a single click. Save it to the downloads folder. Let's go back to the downloads folder. There it is. Right click, unzip it. And it created that folder right there. Launch a command window, cd into downloads, cd into the folder we just created, do a directory listing. That has another folder called game, cd into that folder, do a directory listing, and there's game.java. Compile it, java c, game.java. Oh, let's edit it first. Let's use Notepad. Notepad game.java. Let's make this wider so we can see what the heck we're doing. Scroll down till you see type your code here. Let's get an image of a cat on the screen. So image, cat image, assignment operator, new image, icon, cat.gif, get image. Let's paint that image. G.draw, help if you could type, image, cat image, help if you could type, x coordinate 100, y coordinate 100, we'll make game the observer, save that. Okay, back to the command console. Now let's compile it. Java C game.java, don't forget the C, and run it. Java game. Bada bing, bada boom, there's the cat. We are done. Hope this helped. Catch you later. Bye.